Hello trail friends. Today we are hiking in Olympic National Park on a trail that starts at Deer Park and ends at Obstruction Point. It's called the Obstruction Point Trail. I've also heard it called the Grand Ridge Trail. It's around 15 miles round trip with about 3,100 feet of elevation gain. It starts in a heavily timbered area near the ranger station and descends down for about a quarter of a mile. Once you reach about a quarter of a mile, the timber thins a bit and you begin to get some views of the surrounding mountains. In late spring and early summer, there is an abundance of wildflowers. As you continue along on the trail, you begin to climb and go through areas that look like they have been victims of wildfires. After about 2 miles, you begin to start reaching some little meadow areas that in the fall often have some nice colors to the foliage. So the views are starting to open up here. And we'll be walking kind of along the ridge here, basically till you get back to Obstruction Point. I'm not going that far today, but just in case you are planning a trip. While the views and the wildflowers are amazing, there were quite a few mosquitoes that were a nuisance, even despite the fact that there was some wind up on the ridge. Getting our first glimpse, or our first real unobstructed glimpse of Maiden Peak, where we will turn around today. Maiden Peak is approximately the halfway point between Deer Park and Obstruction Road, and is about 7 miles round trip with about 1,800 feet of elevation gain. The trailhead parking area holds about 8 to 10 cars and has a privy. There's also overflow parking on the road. I hope you are able to get out and enjoy your own adventures, and until next time, happy trails.